So after all the Doodle workshops in different cities, I'm finally here in Delhi for the mega event at the Google office. The theme this year for the Doodle for Google was, if you could create something for India, what would it be? And we got tons and tons of entries with some fantastic doodles. And it was really difficult to choose these final 12. They are here and I'm going to meet them and have a one-on-one session with them and also a fun workshop. So I'll see you guys inside. Okay, so now it's time to begin the workshop. Today we are making a fossil. I really enjoy working with this technique and I think my friends loved it too. And you can paint it and make it really colorful.
Best DIY I did it.
आज हम लोग ने एक्टिविटी की, रॉब जी के साथ भी एक्टिविटी की और आज बहुत मज़ा आया.
We had a lot of fun. We made a mold for a fossil and then a fossil for a dinosaur. We had a lot of fun today.
I had lots of fun.
It has been an amazing day and it's always a pleasure to meet such creative and talented people. I had an amazing time and a really fun workshop. These guys were really creative and talented. If you guys had fun watching this video,